Hello guys, how's it going? This is Ivan again. Just trying to show you guys a little bit of my work from the beginning to finish with the structural welder school. I still have to keep on going to get my pipe certification, but this is what I did to get there and get that structural certification. This right there is a little bit of practice at home with a generator that I had, and yeah, some more practice right here, and more practice and vertical practice stacking beads. uh yeah, the video is not in order, so some pictures or clips are ahead or some others are behind. That right there was some flat of the roof, and this is like I was progressing. I was having a little bit of trouble with the roof at first, but then with time I started getting a little better the more I practiced. Tab right there. Right there is my tail. Vertical T-joint roof. I believe it was flat with the vertical T-joints. Okay, was flat. T-joint there. So yeah, like the more you practice, the better you're gonna get in time. So, I mean, if you're trying to go to school, it is worth it. Some people say it's not, but I mean, you learn a lot of stuff right there at a fastest rate, if you know what I mean. Like, you're gonna learn faster than what you would learn outside. It is worth it. I got my certification in 3 months. I was going to school twice a week, and then of course I used to practice. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, I would appreciate it if you help me grow my little baby channel. And I'm gonna keep on doing videos as I move along with the welding. Thank you.